New Orleans always late, y'all. For real, can somebody let me know? Because it say they started. They letting us in. We just waiting. We in the waiting room right now. We waiting for the judge. They late. One thing about Georgia would have been did court. NOLA is way different. Why y'all do court so late? Girl, this shit would have been done in the morning. No shade. What you waiting for? We in the courtroom. We just waiting for it to start, child. Hey, I be a Sailor Moon. I take it to the moon. There's only room for two. Well, at least we here, y'all. At least we here. I just didn't wanna, I didn't want y'all to miss it. I didn't want us to miss it. So we here. We just waiting on them. We here on time. NOLA just not on time. So we just gonna vibe out and chill till we get to my second box, y'all. Respectfully, let's get me to my second box before court starts. They're not gonna start till like 4. Are you serious? Don't say that, y'all. Y'all think they're gonna start around 4? Don't say that. Well, at least we here early then, bitch. Damn, but don't say, oh my God. No, 4:03 Eastern. Y'all forgot. NOLA is Central. It's 3 p.m. in NOLA. Court starts at 3. It's already 3. It's 3:03 in NOLA time. Don't forget, y'all. It's Central. Central. We're Eastern. It's 4. We understand that, but it's 3 over there. I keep looking down at my iPad because I'm waiting for the judge to start. Damn, judge, come on. Shit. What time y'all think the judge gonna let us in? What time y'all think the judge gonna start? Oh my God. I keep thinking about it. Baby, well, they lying because they did let us in. Yesterday, they didn't let us in the courtroom at all. We're in now. We just waiting for it to start. I'm definitely in a courtroom. You come out now. Be about it.
Ms. Diab will be with you in one moment, okay?
I'll be here.
Thank you.
I'm muted. I need everybody to share the live right now.
We're still waiting for everyone to be admitted, okay?
Run it up. I'm muted. Don't tell me to y'all run it up, share the live. Why he kind of fun? I'm just playing. Can he see you? No, girl. Can they see you? Hell no. Would I be doing all this? I'm about to light up. Would I be doing this on camera? Like, y'all know what I'm about to do? All right. They're going to jail. China Red gonna be sitting in there. I'm gagging.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all 52 of the participants here at First Appearances in Criminal District Court, Magistrate Section M5. I would like to inform you all at this time that there is no recording allowed in this courtroom. It is against both.
There is no recording going on in my live. There is no recording going on in my live. This is live stream, which is legal, and I'm not recording anything. YouTubers, if y'all record, that is up to y'all. Charlie is not recording anything.
I understand that many of you are here for the matter of Miss Ashley Shepard. The matter of Miss Ashley Shepard has already been handled. Probable cause has been found, and her total bond is $3,500. You are welcome to remain in court to watch these proceedings. That is a matter of open court.
So
But
she
I will
got
remind you
bills.
that
Oh,
it
so
is
she's out.
impermissible to
She about to
record
get
the
out.
same.
Gag the
Thank you for your
fuck out of
time.
y'all. How is that gagging us? We got the tea.
All right,
This is what we
deputies, get ready
wanted.
for the
So how much does that mean her bond? How much does she have to pay? So he said how much? Because he said that shit so fast.
If her bond
Damn.
is $3,500, she has to pay $350 to get out. It's 10%,
Wow.
unless it's different in the state that she's in. That could change because then where I am is 10%.
That's all I wanted to say too. Is $350. That's all.
What the fuck is my phone? Hello? At least he told us though. Shit, he ain't waste our
Now, which
time.
one of you pussy assholes snitched and called the court and told her we was trying to watch? Y'all always fucking up shit. We can't never have no entertainment because y'all
No,
always
but it
want to
ain't
be two
even
steps ahead.
necessarily a person though. You gotta think about it. It could have been China Red. It could have been anybody.
True, she could have told them. Fuck her. If it was her, whoever it was. We want entertainment. We want to see her ass look humble in that orange
Well
jumpsuit. But
shit,
no.
let's stay and watch. We might as well do Charlie with go ahead.
deputies. You asked me to
Let's at
please
least watch one
handle.
or two cases. The least we can. Shit. We ain't gonna waste our time with this.
Who did Miss? Was it Miss?
Christy Gibbs.
Miss Gibbs. Thank you. Let's handle Miss Gibbs, and we're gonna handle Mr. Myers' matter. Okay, Miss Gibbs, one moment. This is 600-191, simple battery and simple criminal damage to property. Miss Gibbs, I've appointed the public defender to represent you today, and Miss Morgan has had an opportunity to interview you. Before I proceed, I would like to know if you plan to hire your own attorney after today.
China Red about to get out. She was first.
Maybe,
Alright.
I don't know.
Are you currently employed?
Self-employed, yes.
What type of work do you do?
I do tattoos.
About how much do you make per week in your business?
It depends between 2 to 500.
Okay. I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you while you are incarcerated. When you make bond, if you would like, you can hire your own attorney. If you find that you cannot afford an attorney, you can fill out an application with the public defender's office, and they can determine whether you are indigent under the federal guidelines, okay? The charges in this case are simple battery and simple criminal damage to property. It is alleged that you were in an argument with your neighbor, and that officers were called in response to the allegation that he pointed a gun and fired a single round at you. But upon
She's
further
in first row,
investigation,
second one on the
the
right side,
officers
y'all.
learned, in
That's
fact,
what somebody said.
that
I don't know
you
if that's
had
really her. I'm gonna see.
damaged his vehicle by
Did y'all see
pouring
her?
powdered soap into the gas
If she's still
tank,
sitting there, we're gonna keep it
and
up.
also by striking him and hitting him with a white chair, causing him to
She
have
has on
a
a
visible
mask.
cut on his right arm and elbow. Based upon their conversations with him and then their conversations with you, in which your story changed several times, they determined that you were the primary aggressor, and they arrested you for criminal damage to property and simple battery, both of which are misdemeanors. I find that there is probable cause for your arrest, and I'm issuing a non-domestic protective order because you have no other relationship besides being neighbors. So I want to explain to you what that means. It means you are to have no contact with Mr. Jackson. You are not to call, write, email, text, or have any other form of electronic communication, third-party communication, or social media communication. You're not to go to his home, school, or place of business. To the extent possible, you're not to go within 600 feet of Mr. Jackson. So if he comes outside, you go inside, etc. If you violate this protective order and he contacts the police, you'll be in violation of this bond obligation. If you violate my bond obligation, then you could have your bond revoked, or I may issue a capias for your arrest.
Oh, he a nice judge.
Do you understand the terms of your bail?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see what we. Oh, that is China
Red.
Red. That is her. She back there with the mask on with the braids in the front row. Did y'all see her? That was her. We keeping it up. Her case was just done, but she's still sitting there. She's still in jail. Like y'all acting like she's home right now. She's still sitting there.
I'm aware of
she can't be home that quick, y'all.
From July of last year.
Be realistic. That's her.
By force, for which
yes, that is her. They did hers offline, but she's still sitting there.
3 counts of simple battery. But besides the information contained in the pretrial report, is there any other information that you would like to introduce at this time?
I'm gonna zoom in close.
You're on mute.
No, Your Honor, we have no further information to add in.
Y'all be able to see it better.
All right. Do you have any bond recommendation or any victim information?
The state recommends for the simple battery charge $2,000 and for the simple criminal damage to property $5,000.
Okay, interesting. Ms. Morgan?
Thank you, Your Honor. I just would highlight the fact that Ms. Gibbs, according to her pretrial services report, is a risk level 2, which does indicate a need for minimal supervision and does indicate a presumption of release. Both of these are, I would argue, minimally violent charges. They are ROR eligible charges. Ms. Gibbs does live off of a disability income and has just picked up a part-time job as a tattoo artist when she's able. However, it is not a substantial income and she is not able to afford a substantial bond. She does have a strong network of friends and family here in New Orleans. She's certainly not a flight risk, which is also evidenced by the fact that she has no failures to appear on her pretrial services report. Your Honor, I'm asking, if not a release in this case, I'm asking for a minimal bond here, considering the fact that Ms. Gibbs was, in addition to the fact that she is only a risk level 2, she was the initial caller. In this case, she did call 911 to report violence inflicted by her neighbor. How do I show the screen full? Which was
I'm trying to
minimally
pull up
investigated. Ms. Gibbs was in fear for her life and for her safety. She did believe that she was acting in self-defense. And I would argue, as to the weight of the evidence for the simple criminal damage to property, at this point, there is no evidence that Ms. Gibbs had any involvement in the damage that was incurred to the complainant's vehicle.
It ain't letting me switch screens.
$2,500 on the simple battery, $1,000 on the criminal damage to property. Thank you, ma'am. You can be seated.
And Your Honor, please note our objection as to bond setting for the record as a precaution.
All right, noted. I will note that I do not believe she's a good candidate for the ROR, citing the recent convictions, including 3 counts of simple battery and the possibility that she may remain on probation from a 2021 incident involving resisting an officer by force. Mr. Myers, sir, the name of your client, please?
Adrian Palmer.
All right, Ms. Palmer, come on up.
Okay, pay attention. That's China Red. Oh,
First,
no, that ain't
Your Honor,
her.
before
That
we
girl
get
too
started,
fucking
I do want to let
small.
Ms. Palmer know
That girl in the front too small.
Yesterday,
That ain't her.
That you and I did work and that I worked.
I don't know where she at. I think she gone. She probably already left.
To try to get her on the list for yesterday. It just was
that bitch too small.
Despite our collective best
y'all know
efforts,
China big as
we weren't
fucking
able
up front.
to do it, but I didn't want her to think that the court had forgotten about her. That you were involved yesterday with trying to expedite her appearance, and I appreciate that. It just was logistically impossible to arrange.
I appreciate that. There are a lot of people that need to be processed, and unfortunately, not everyone can be accommodated. Although I will say on the record, since we've got an audience, that this court does work 365 days a year, as opposed to other courts in other jurisdictions. to ensure that people are processed as quickly as possible.
And Your Honor, thank you. Thank you for going out of your way yesterday to try to help accommodate. And I appreciate that it doesn't always work out. So here we are today.
Leave the damn Zoom, cause she ain't she out of there. Okay, so basically what we gather for the people that don't understand what's going on. So I guess she must have requested to people that she didn't want she requested to the judge that she didn't feel comfortable with it being streamed because she's an influencer or something. So she had to have requested it. So it looks like she did get her bail got granted. So she only has to pay what? Y'all said 10%? Charlie is gagged. How am I gagged? What? Y'all bitches love to say somebody gagged for no reason. That don't even make no sense. How could I be gagged? I didn't spend no time in jail. Like, I didn't put her in jail. You mean China 504 then? I think you probably coming for the wrong person, bitch. You don't even make sense. Who went to go foul and get her arrested? Yeah, Jazzy's gag. Didn't Jazzy just get on live and lie and say I didn't have the link? Didn't Jazzy Cherry get on live and say I didn't have the court link? Didn't Jazzy Cherry get on live and also say that China Red wasn't getting out? So let's be real about who's gags. My tea was not false tea. I knew she was getting bailed out today. So I'm confused. No. Jazzy Cherry said it wouldn't be streamed. I wouldn't have the link at all. She didn't say nothing about it being streamed. She said I wouldn't have the link. That's what she said. And I actually did have the link. The judge even opened up the court session by saying what happened to China Red and how China Red bonded out. I mean, she got bail. So at the end of the day, Jazzy Cherry was on live lying to y'all. This is how I'm saying. This bitch be pump faking. Bitch don't know what it's like to get views. She talk about boxes, talk about views don't add up to our boxes. Let me tell you something, Cherry. Ebony and Brandon came and dropped you a dragon today. That is the reason why you're sitting on 2 boxes. My supporters came in here and dropped gifts on me. That's the reason why I'm on 2 boxes. So it's 2 different reasons why me and you are on 2 different boxes, boo. I'm on 2 boxes every damn day. So Jazzy, you're a nobody. Not too much on Jazzy. Well, bitch, get out my live. Because I'm talking about Jazzy and you ain't going to do shit about it. Ho in the comments. So back to talking shit about Jazzy Cherry tranny looking ass. So it's just weird as hell. Not you call me 4 eyes. That is the lamest joke ever. Girl, these glasses can come off, but you ugly as fuck. That can't come off, boo. Like, come on. That's so elementary. So anyways, with my 4 eyes, smart looking ass. But Jazzy Cherry is just so weird. Like, this bitch was on live trying to read me, but you're still in my sauce. But the difference is, bitch, you can't even afford to get your TV mounted. If you gonna come over here and copy off of me, at least get your TV mounted. Bitch, you got a 25-inch sitting on top of a fat-ass dresser. Bitch, your TV don't even fit the length of your fucking dresser. That's how small your fucking TV was, bitch. So don't talk about nothing, ho. Don't talk about Charlie being messy, Charlie this and that when you're over here watching Charlie. Because you want to be Charlie, bitch. When you go back live tomorrow, ho, you ain't going to get those same 3K views, bitch. You only got them because I was offline. You only got them because I was offline, Jazzy Cherry. No shade. No shade. Ooh, my husband on TV, y'all. While I was watching reruns of Montel Williams, y'all, last night. Y'all didn't tell me Montel Williams, they still air his old episodes. Anyways, bitch, like I motherfucking said, you have Wendy Williams legs too. You got long ass legs with small ass brains, bitch. You're stupid as fuck. You the same bitch that allowed a grown man to allegedly, because I wasn't on Big O then, to allegedly push your fucking daughter and you ain't do shit about it and your husband ain't do shit about it. So you a punk, bitch. And let me tell your camel face ass something, bitch, because you look like Jay-Z in the face, Jazzy Cherry. Let me tell you something, Miss Jay-Z. Let me motherfucking tell your ass something, Sean Carter. Listen to me, bitch. I'ma be honest with you, camel face. I'ma just tell you the truth. Bitch, I ain't scared of you. I ain't scared of you. You on motherfucking live over here lying, talking about you gonna get my page banned again. You ain't never got my page banned in the first time. Bitch, you can't even hit a quota to save your life. Bitch, camel face, Jazzy, camel face. You can't even hit a quota to save your life. So what make you think Big O is going to allow you to ban me? Who the fuck are you? We don't even know you, bitch. Like I said, you have a 25-inch TV on the top of that fat-ass dresser. Not Nick Will done came in here. Nick Will, what the fuck do you want? Because you don't know if you want to be a fan. You don't know if you want to love on me, bitch. You don't know if you want to eat my ass, fuck me, take the dick, bitch, or be a hater. You're weird, too. You another weird motherfucker that love to come to me about every other day thinking you sliding up in here. Nick Will joins the chat. Bitch, I see you, Nick Will. I see you. Hello? I don't give a fuck about nobody talking to the bond people. We heard it from the judge.